So, welcome back to the third tutorial on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to solve a cross, an X cross. So, we'll start with the green face since it's more easy. I mean, most beginners start with the green face. So, we will have to orientate the cross and match it correctly with the colors like this. So, how do we do this? So, first, you can see there's a green and white center edge piece now here. So, you turn it such that white is facing the top, and we've already orientated match one piece correctly. That's good. So, move it here, and you can see that the green is 180 degrees directly below this face. So you can turn it 180 degrees, turn the front face 180 degrees, and you solve two parts. So now we have this. It's already matched correctly, so you can turn it up. And however, when you meet this kind of case and you turn it, it's not flipped correctly. So we have to do this algorithm. RI U F I and UI, and you see we have matched correctly all the center edge pieces. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and give me your feedback in the comments below. So sorry about the bad audio because it's very noisy at my grandmother's house now. So thanks for watching.